Hi friends, getting bored at home. So I found this BP machine at my house. Actually it's in a working mode, but when I brought this, I thought that how it's getting the air, from where does it get the air to fill this balloon, like the balloon type of the belt which we check for the BP. So I thought today let us do what's inside this BP machine which is pumping this balloon type of belt. We'll check out and we'll see what's inside this machine. Okay, to do somewhat a time pass, right? Let us start the video. First we have to disconnect the batteries so that we should not get any type of short circuit. So this runs with four 1.5 AA size batteries, and I think so it can also be run from DC charger. No, it cannot run. I also have a old type of a Dubai machine. It runs with a DC adapter of 6 volts. Okay, let us open. Be careful. Wow. So finally, there is nothing to be seen in this machine. Somewhat a PCB board and a small LCD display. The interesting thing we found in this machine is the DC motor, which pumps air. Actually it compresses air and it exhausts from here to this balloon type of belt. Let us find out what's behind this. Actually you can see somewhat pipes going from here and there. I think so mostly the white one is for the intake of the air, right? Okay, let us open this. That seems very interesting to open it, so be careful. Here we found a clip. Okay, slightly pull up here. Very interesting. Lot of circuits are there inside this board. Again, I think so this is the heart rate sensor. I think so this one is the heart rate sensor, and this is the beep speaker. I think so this is the beep speaker. I don't know what this one, but it should have some function. Okay, let us find out. We find around 1 2 3 4 valves, 4 pipes. I don't know for what. This is for intake, and straightforward it's going for 2 pipelines. One is going for this device and another is going for the sensor. This is only the sensor, the heart rate sensor. So from here in the air, when your heart beats, your pulse rate beats, it sounds. Actually it has some type of vibrations and sounds, from this the sounds come from, and it goes from this pipe, and this will count our heart rate like 70 to 100. right? The interesting thing is the DC motor. This actually is the BLDC motor. The 6-watt BLDC motor. This one is the motor, right? The whole part from here to here is only the motor, and from here to here it's a pump. The craziest thing you know that is from this motor we can also pump the cycle tire, because it has around 20 to 15 to 20 psi pressure, so it's more than enough for a cycle to pump out. Okay, let us do something. Let us switch on this machine nakedly. Actually it's a naked. We have removed the cover, so let us see what happens. How does this function inside? Right, it seems to be there are two buttons here. One is for mode. It's actually I think so this is for the manual. Actually no, you can save around 1 to 100 type 100 means the records, like last week how much does the pp you had, like that. This is an on and off. So let us say we can also find here also, like see, it's a written start and the on off. Be careful, don't touch the terminals with this screwdriver so that it has any short circuit, and sure, because we only want to know what's inside that. We should not damage it because it's a working condition, right? So let us on it. Okay, now you can hear the pump is working. See, if I cover this, it's actually working. Now let us keep this needle here. Okay, I have done it. So now I will start it again. Now see this pump, it's actually growing gradually, right? See the pressure, very strong. See, very strong. If I leave this, automatically it compresses and it shows, I think so, error. Yes, it came error because I left it. Yes, it hasn't left the air reverse. See, what kind of function. So we'll do it again. Okay, now we will check this motor, what is the pressure and how much can it handle, because I said before that we can also pump this motor to a bicycle or a cycle, or I think so it's mostly can also be useful for the balloons, filling the balloons. It's very easy because no, just only we have to connect these terminals to the battery, a 3.7 volt battery. I also have a battery. I have made this battery for my purpose of doing somewhat small experiments. Actually this is a mobile phone battery, and I have connected these two wires to check out the connections and the working modes of these devices. So now I will find out any heavy equipment or any booklet like that, and I will place it here. Okay, I will place it here and we will find out for how much weight does it lift. Okay, actually this is not regarding experiment with this BB machine. So I am just explaining so that we can do somewhat small projects with this old um, we can find this devices are broken and anything, so we can restore with them, right? Some wood devices are working in that, so we can remove that and we can do somewhat experiments in this lockdown time. Okay, okay, I bought this stabilizer. It weighs around 1.5 kgs. 1.5 kgs. So let us check out just this balloon type belt. Can lift this stabilizer again on. Yes, yes, it's doing well. It's lifting the stabilizer. So guys, this motor is very powerful. See the pressure? Yes, and it's also measuring the BP of a stabilizer. It's very funny, right? See the pressure came to 190 and now it's releasing such a crazy BP of a stabilizer. See the sound. Can you hear the sound? It's actually releasing the air from this. See, yes, this system is very interesting. See, it's again measuring. So better to stop because it's pumping more than 200. So better to be a best side. Let us release the air out. Yes, now remove the needle. So that's all for today. So we found a BLDC pump motor in a BP machine, right? Okay, thank you for watching and please do like and subscribe to know more about what's inside a new type of devices. If you want to know what's inside this stabilizer also, I will plan for that for a moment later, right? Thank you, please do subscribe and have a nice day.